Here we are at question 4, level 2 question on our 6A workbook, page 160. This is chapter 5, angles in geometry figures. Let's read this question and look at the diagram. It already looks quite a little bit complicated, but let's take a read at the question first. You have UVX. As you are reading the question, you can try to point your finger, okay, to the letters that are stated. So I have like UVX, UVX. So you can guide your fingers through the points. You can identify the triangle better. So that's the first triangle, this isosceles, and then you have UX equals to UV, and then you have X, Y, V, W, X, Y, V, W is a rhombus. And then you have the known given angles, and then you have to find the missing angles. Right. Looks quite complicated with lots of letters. So let's go step by step. First, let's see what are the shapes that we can identify here. The first one, it says it's an isosceles triangle. Oops. I'm going to use pink here, the isosceles triangle. And then you have UX and UV. So UX. Okay, so UX and UV. These two lines are equal. And then you have UVX. So UVX. So this is the isosceles triangle. This is the first one, pink color. So that points us to the first property. We probably need to know isosceles triangle properties. Then you have the rhombus here, and I think rhombus is one of the favorite shapes that many of us have learned, because it is like all sides are equal in the rhombus, and it's like it joins the property of isosceles triangle as well. So you see the lines drawn here, the yellow highlighted lines, these are the equal lines for the rhombus, and that brings us to the isosceles triangles that you can identify in the rhombus as well. So the next property we need is the rhombus properties. And then you have a given angle here, 45 degrees, which is here. And you have to find another given angle, 130 degrees, VWX, which is here. And you have to find the unknown angle UVY. So here. Okay. Okay, so with that, I can already start solving the questions. Okay. So given this, I can use the first property, rhombus property. You have the given angle VWX equals to 180 degrees. That equals to the angle of the opposite end, because that's the rhombus. So it's here. So this is also 130 degrees. So that's angle VWX, and it's the same as VYX. That's also 130 degrees. With that, I can find this angle here. All right. Because of the isosceles triangle formed by the rhombus. So that's angle YVX or XVY, that's the same thing. Because to using the isosceles property, 180 degrees minus 130 degrees with the brackets, then I divide by 2. So that's 25 degrees each. Okay, then given that, I have to find the green one here, and I'm stuck because I don't have the answer to angle UVY directly, but looking at what is given, you have the 45 degrees in the pink triangle, pink isosceles triangle. So I can find this corner in the pink triangle. I remember I used to have this trick of the drawing a smiley face, right? Okay, of the isosceles triangle. Okay, so you can find this corner by that is angle UVX. Okay, UVX. So that angle I can use 180 degree minus 45 degree divided by 2, which will give me the answer here, divided by 2, and then the answer here. Okay, then I can finally find angle UVY by using this angle, subtract by 25 here. Then you can find the green color. I'll leave you to solve the rest. So what are the properties that I use here? Basically, isosceles and reverse.